warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English Learning Class. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ardias Hanif Asyifa, and you can call me Shifa. I am a first semester student with student ID number 2401050029, Faculty of Education and Psychology, Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program, Semarang State University. Enjoy watching and listen carefully, okay? Good morning, my beloved students. How are you today? I hope you are all in good health and always enthusiastic. And let's start this activity with gratitude for the blessing given by God. Hopefully, the knowledge we learn today will be useful and bring goodness to all of us. Amen. All my students, keep up the spirit of learning, okay? Remember, every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to try and ask because this is where we are in the process of becoming better. Be sure the small efforts we make today will be a big step toward our dreams. So let's start with enthusiasm and confidence that we can. Okay, my students. Before starting today's lesson, it's a good idea for us to pray first. Pray begins. Enough. Okay, students, we will enter into the material that we will discuss today, namely substances and their changes. Before that, I want to ask, what is the substances? Substances is a hazardous material? Okay, anything else? No? Yeah. Do you know what the difference is between water and ice cubes? Great! That's right! If water is liquid, ice cubes is solid. Then why can ice cubes turn into water? Great! That's right! Ice cubes turn into water because it is placed in a hot place. I want to ask again. What is melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, and sublimation? Can anyone explain? No? Well then, let's discuss it in more depth together. But before I get into the main material, I will tell you a story first. Please listen carefully. One sunny afternoon, Dira was playing in the kitchen while helping her mother. She noticed the ice cubes taken from the freezer and saw them melting slowly in a bowl. Mom, why did the ice cubes turn into water? Dira asked. Her mother smiled. That's because the ice cubes changed from solid to liquid. This process is called melting. Ice that is exposed to heat will turn into water. Alright, do you understand a little about the material we will discuss? Student, listen carefully to my explanation, okay? Pay attention and take notes on the PPT that are shown. We will discuss about substance, type of substances, change of state of an object. Now, understanding of substance. Matter or substance is anything that has mass and occupies space. The material is divided into two: living things, humans, animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria. Non-living things, books, bag, tables, clothes, and other. Characteristics of substances. Has mass, the size of an object. Has volume, the measure of the amount of a substance. Mass is the size of an object. The mass of an object can be different from the mass of another object. Volume is a measure of the amount of a substance. The difference with mass is that mass is used to measure the amount of solids, while volume is usually used to measure the amount of liquids such as water, drinks, oil, and so on. Types of substances and their properties. 1. Solids. Solids are substances that have relatively fixed properties, shapes, and volumes. Uh, Example, wood and rock. Properties, fixed shape and volume, has mass, and cannot flow. 2. Liquid. Liquid has the form and shape of an object in the form of a liquid. Example, water and milk. Properties. Properties are not fixed because the molecules that make them up move freely and continue to change following the form and shape of the container. 3. Gaseous substances. Gas is a form and shape of an object that has a volume and shape that always changes according to its container. Example, wind and fog. Properties, spreads in all directions. 2. Fill all a copy space. 3. Excites everywhere. 4. Its mass is heavy. 5. The movement of its particle is free and its arrangement is irregular. Change in the form of objects. 1. Melt. Melt changes of state from solid to liquid. Some solids can melt, but not all of them melt easily, such as wax, ice cubes, and jelly. There are objects that require more heat. Heat is heat energy that can be received and transferred by an object to other. The more heat is given, the faster an object melts. The bigger the fire, the faster an object melts. Example, melting wax. 2. Freeze. Freeze change of state from liquid to solid. An object that is liquid can change into solid when the liquid loses heat. When the temperature is lowered, then a liquid can change into solid. Example, include wax and jelly. 3. Evaporation. Evaporation change of state from liquid to gas. When a liquid is continuously heated, over time the liquid will evaporate. For example, when water in a pan is continuously heated, the water will start to boil and change from liquid to gas. Another example is sprayed perfume into the body, then it will change into gas. 4. Condensation. Condensation, change of state of an object from a gas to a liquid. Example, dough on the lid of a glass containing hot water. 5. Sublimation. Sublimations, change of state from solid to gas. Example, camphor stored in a cupboard will shrink over time. 6. Crystallis, change of state from gas to solid. Example, formation of snow. Well, I have explained about substances, their types, and also change in the state of object. So, there are solid, liquid, and gas substances as explained earlier. Then, there are many changes in the state of objects. They are melting, freezing, evaporating, and others. To remember the material I presented, I have a song to make memorizing the material more exciting. Let's sing together, okay?
Three properties of objects, solid, liquid, and gas. From solid to liquid is called melting. From liquid to solid is called freezing. Change further. From liquid to gas is called evaporation. From gas to liquid it's called condensation. That is the form of object. There are still others. Change further. Others. Change further. From gas to solid is called crystallization. From solid to gas is called sublimation. That is the form of objects. All 6. Come on, let's memorize it. Come on, let's memorize it.
Yay! Applause for all of us! Well, since we have studied the material together, it's time for a quiz to find out how much you understand. And for today's lesson, grades. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Which one is a liquid? Yeah, right! Which one is a solid object? Yeah, right! Which one is a gas? No, gas is B. Change of matter from solid to liquid? Yay! Right! Which is the crystallized from? Yay! Change of state from gas to solid. Yay! Crystallis! Change of state of matter from gas to liquid. No, evaporate. Yay! The quiz is over. Let's applaud for all of us. Alright, my students, today's lesson is over. To end today's lesson, pray according to your respective belief. Pray begins. Enough. Today's lesson is over. Thank you for your cooperation and enthusiasm. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hopefully the knowledge is useful for all of us. See you at the next